आज हम बात करेंगे सक्सेस के बारे में। कुछ दिनों से काफ़ी लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा है कि मेरे लिए सक्सेस की परिभाषा क्या है, वॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इज सक्सेस. So I listen to a lot of podcasts, YouTube videos to know what does success mean to a lot of different people around me. चाहे वो CEOs हैं किस कंपनी के, चाहे वो एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं किसी कंपनी के, चाहे उनका अपना खुद का बिजनेस है, चाहे वो एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं, चाहे they are coaches, they are doing some services for the society. So I have been reading a lot about it of lately, just to know what is success for different people. Many of them would say that when they have enough money and they become famous is success for them. I heard a very few people saying that success for them is serving or paying back to the community. What makes me wonder is if success is all about money, fame, car, bungalow, status, designation, what job you're working, which company are you working for, then why does it come with so many negativities? Why are there challenges? Why do we face many difficulties? Why do we face a lot of confusions in that path of success? If that is what success means, then why are these people who have a lot of money with everything they would want to probably keep in their lives, with the best bungalow, a big car, a lot of money, why aren't they happy? What keeps them, what makes them so shallow? Upon introspecting and realizing, I am someone who is doing a regular job. I do not have a lot of money, but when I actually think about having those qualities of compassion, humility, humanity, togetherness, connectivity, sensitivity, that makes me a human. That makes me realize that not only a material success which comes with the name, fame, that is not something which is the only important part of my life. But what makes a real success for me is to be able to serve back to the community, to be able to pay back to the society. I want to really sleep at night with that contented heart wherein I have the satisfaction of serving someone, of being able to meet someone's need without expecting anything in return. Now, when we do so much of hard work, we definitely get money, name, fame, so much. And that, I think these are the byproducts of hard work. We do not have to take any shortcut. As long as we are working hard, we are following our passion, we are enjoying whatever we are doing, we are focused, all of these byproducts called money, name, fame will definitely come. And therein, a lot of people would think and believe that they are successful. If that is the case, then they should be able to sleep satisfied at night. They should not have any complaints. They should not be violent. They should not have any feelings of jealousy, negativity. They should be happy. So for me, I want to really look back in my life after a few years and tell myself I did the best of my capabilities towards my community, towards my people. I was able to help and inspire someone at that time when it was the most needed. Even if I was not able to help someone monetarily, but I was still there to uplift, to give that confidence, to serve that person. That will make me more successful. Now the question is how opulent you are. You need to ask yourself, you have all of these qualities which makes you a good human being, if not a perfect human being, a good human being. If you know that you have these qualities and you can tell yourself that you are a good human being, then you definitely are successful. If you cannot, and even if you have some doubts of being a good human being, then you really need to work hard to be that successful person, to be able to sleep at night with everything you can. The most peaceful sleep comes when your heart, your mind, everything which you have been expecting from your life comes with a great satisfaction. And that can only come when you start serving, when you start finding a deeper purpose of your life, And the moment you find that deeper purpose of your life, you would know that it's not only money, name, fame which makes me successful, but serving my community will make me the most successful person. Thank you. I will see you next time.